Thank you, Auntie. Australia. And this is the king coconut, one of the famous drink in Sri Lanka. Hi guys, good morning. Today is a special day for me. Me and Miss Allah Hero, one of the famous YouTuber in Sri Lanka. We have a plan to take you in a village or on a river, and we will take you in the nature. We will cook something new for you, and we are going to buy some vegetables from here, and we already bought the meat items. So follow us and stay with us. We will take you in the nature. Hi guys, on the way to Minawangoda, there is a nice forest, and we will drink some coconut as well, king coconut. And this is the forest. It's made of some leaves that it's very healthy and it's very good for our health. If we drink in the morning, it would be very useful. So you can see the color of this one. It's green color. And I think it's made of curry leaves and some other leaves. Then the Sri Lankan people usually they drinks this one at in the morning. Thank you, Auntie. Australia. And this is the king coconut, one of the famous drink in Sri Lanka. All the tourists and the local people, they use this one. They drink this one, and this is also very healthy. So today morning I'm trying to drink two healthy drinks. One is porridge and another one is king coconut. This is the porridge. Amazing guys, it's very tasty. So shall we try another one, the king coconut one? My favorite drinks in Sri Lanka. If you have one in the morning until 12 o'clock, you don't need to drink or eat anything. That's enough. Nice nature. I will capture around also, and you can see the views. It's like a village and very clean atmosphere and nice environment. So follow us for the next video as well. Wow, look at this new, look at this views, coconut trees and small road, green nature and king coconut, all in once. You can check it in these videos. Sri Lanka really have nice nature. In every part of Sri Lanka, you can see nice nature, green one, and nice mountains, rivers, jungles, waterfalls. So we are also planning to go somewhere and visit a nice river and do some activity there. So stay with us for the next video as well. Thank you guys again for watching the video, and please subscribe, like, and share my videos as well. Thank you very much.